MX23 intro with all the outdoor champs.
Some weekend that felt like it worked out already. And then
Hey, what's up guys, Rado here, and this year we also went to Alpine Star 2023 intro that they do every year when they come out with a new gear and they bring out all the pro guys they are behind. And it tells you a lot if all the top guys in 450 are wearing Alpine Star and they are with the Alpine Star boots and all that good stuff. Every year they come out with a brand new design for the entire gear lineup. Let's see how it looks for 2023.
This is the MX23 line. Maybe you guys know us from, we designed the first dedicated motocross boot back in 1963. And then from there, we brought a helmet into the line. This is our great SM8 helmet. And then from now, we have that full head to toe package. This right here is our SuperTech line. SuperTech line is our full athletic racing style kit. So this is our premier style. This is bringing everything from our racing athletes to true innovation through cut and overall construction. So the biggest upgrades from 22 to 23 is first, we'll bring in our power netting. So our power netting is brand new material makeup that you'll see has tons of stretch, and it's actually a true nylon weave. So there's not anything to snag or tear on that. So once again, perfecting the durability aspect into it. So still having nice, lightweight, very breathable, but durable at the same time. And then on top of that, we have our brand new cut. So it's a true cut around the elbow. So when you're in that attack position, there is no actual folds or seams, anything to distract you from all you're doing is looking ahead. From there, we'll come into our pants. This is a brand new buckle system. So it's a fidlock style buckle system, and it has an actual magnetic closure. So super simple to use, but very strong and something brand new into the apparel line. From there, we have a full four-way stretch main chassis, even in the saddle area, which is new for MX23. So full four-way stretch. On the back of the pant, you'll also notice that it does have power netting on the back of the pant as well. So bring that lightweightness to the pants. It has that extra stretch, and most of all, the breathability. So truly trying to exhaust those gases out the back. And then overall, it is gonna have a true American sizing. So that's the biggest thing that we've been refining from day one, is now a 32 is actually a 32. So a big increase from 22 to the 23 collection. Moving from the SuperTech, now we go to the TechStar. So the TechStar is gonna be a more durable piece, but it's made for overall riding. Perfect for riding the trails, perfect for riding the track, going through the woods. You know, it's made to have a more durable chassis and still having techie material, so still being a nice breathable platform. But one of the biggest things is truly having dyed material, so the great color contrast built into it as well. It's still gonna be a more athletic fit than as the SuperTech, but it's the athletic fit to do it all. Now moving on to our racer collection. This is a true blue collar kit that I like to say. It's a perfect balance between affordability and performance. So we still have our nice antibacterial moisture wicking material, but also we'll have that dual material composition coming from the SuperTech and Racer style, or SuperTech and TechStar platform. So nice new collar construction, having a little bit looser, more relaxed fit. This is overall gonna have your sport fit. So once again, for that blue collar person. Moving from there, we have our true ratchet style closure. And then on the side, you'll see over here is our Velcro adjustment. So you can really tailor the fit for all different shapes and sizes of the riders to have that perfect fit. Moving from there, we did increase the stretch paneling throughout the crotch area and over the knee. So tons of four-way stretch built into there, once again, to have that great fitment overall for a wider range of rider styles. And then lastly, incorporating from the Super Tech and the Tech Star down the back of the leg, we will have that power netting. And then finally, we have our fluid collection, which is our first step into the Alpine Star line. Once again, having that nice, affordable platform so any level rider can truly get into the Alpine Star brand. For the jersey, it's going to be that nice antibacterial, moisture-wicking jersey. We have a new collar construction, so it's that nice, loose-fit collar construction. Coming into the pants, it is going to be a main chassis for ripstop, so it's going to have some great durability built into it. Still incorporating the ratchet style buckle, have some nice elastic stretch built into the actual waistband, once again making that precise fitment in there. And then if you follow down, once again having a little bit larger four-way stretch built out to the crotch. And then if you follow down, we do have a synthetic leather built into the pant too. So that nice premium style that comes from the Super Tech, Tech Star, and Racer here into the fluid platform.
Overall, it was a very fun event. I got to meet a lot of cool people, talk to some pros, and just overall know what's going on in our industry. Alpine Star has all these gear lines in the youth sizes as well, so now your kids can be rocking this cool Alpine Star gear. Before I let you go, David Pingree has a really good interview on his YouTube channel, Whiskey Throttle Show. He sat down with Eli and Chase and asked them a couple of fun questions. Also want to say thank you to my friend Danny for taking care of all the video production. That's about it for today, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.